Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. We're going to be doing a series of hexagons over the next few weeks. This is PVG Multi-Pro in eggshell. It's my go-to pillow paint. I get it at Home Depot. It's fairly inexpensive. This is Cadmium Yellow by Liquitex, and it's a tube paint, and it's opaque. So it's my sense was to put down an opaque color first, have something for the colors to sit on. This is Interference Gold by Golden, and it is transparent. So my intention is to have a semi-transparent on top of a opaque. Okay, and this is Quinacridone Magenta, also by Liquitex. It's semi-opaque, or semi-transparent, however you want to look at it. Next down is going to be a pigment from this little Piggy. This is Sapphire. It's a vibrant blue with lots and lots of sparkle. And on top of that is going to go Blue Eyes, also this little Piggy, to hopefully get some backup for my when I put my cell activators down. This is Titanium White by Amsterdam. It's mixed with 3 parts Australian floetrol. That was Lamp Black by Amsterdam, mixed exactly the same way. If you're at all interested in knowing how I put together my cell activators and my pouring mediums, you can check out my series that I have, 101 series, that has all that information. It'll be at the link above or in the description below. I'm just blowing this out now. What I'm trying to do is I blew out from the middle, and now I'm trying to catch the edges of where the color meets the white and blow that across. I'm not entirely sure. I'm happy with the middle part, so I picked up my straw and I'm gonna blow out some to see if I can get some cells to start to develop in that black section. And I'm using a double cell activator. It's to get an outline. It makes a different appearance. You'll see it in the final product. Okay, spinning out. It's not as fast as this looks here. Actually fairly light spins because they go very long. And this one comes together pretty quickly. And so this is a real quickie today. Just going to clean up my tips just a little bit. And take you down to look at it. If you found this video today useful, I would invite you to leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, ring the bell for future notifications of videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I hope you're finding them both enjoyable and useful. Thanks for being here. Bye now.